Should you get? Never mind, Landon.
No, these ones are fine.
Alex?
I don't have this. I don't know if I have the stuff for it yet.
Okay, that's fine. Oh well. I guess it's just gonna have to dry. It's just cold in there, that's why. Good job, Smugs. I'm gonna get these ready.
Do one more cut.
I don't know. Like, you know, beekeeper. Do you know the beekeeper? You know the beekeepers? I didn't do that.
Uh, 77.
Alec, what a difference it makes to have a mop and
Good straight. What you gotta do next? You're gonna put that under. You're gonna put it under the.
there we go. Right. Yes. Door will never come apart again. I have a question for you, Alec. I think, 'cause no, I know. Okay.
As long as the sides. Is everything going good now?
Yeah.
Okay, get up.
Jay, get it up in here now.
No, the carpenter's.
You're doing carpenter work.
I built a door.
Okay, now put it in there. Okay. Okay, now hold it.
Eat some stuff you've never eaten before either, Landon.
We're gonna cut it on.
It's your climate
I know. I do things awkward. I do things awkward.
You just gotta think.
Yes, Doug, and then look at your.
Yep. But this one I think is gonna have here. Lenny, can you this corner move it this way? Like right here, this side right here. Put it right on that corner. Put this line it up with that corner. There you go. Yeah, that's it.
Actually, something like that would be called a right.
Mm-hmm.
Saw me.
I seen you.
Seen you. It's kind of windier now, so I don't know where all the bugs are in there. Bye.
Perfection.
My house.
Keep drilling, don't stop. What is it?
Hey.
Hey. All right. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Yeah, see, it's sucked in. Well, that concludes our project. Landon built the door. And it looks great. We had a little bit of trouble along the ways, but we managed to do it. Still needs a little bit dressing up on the shed, but we're going to save that for another time. Not going to worry about it now, because we are going to start enjoying our summer vacation as a family. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and we will see you at the next one. Thanks, guys.
No,